Hey everyone, so let's do a check-in. So just get into a comfortable position where you won't be disturbed for a few minutes, and let's do a check-in with ourselves. Just take this time for yourself. It's really important that we go within and really listen to what's happening on the inside and what it is that we need. So close your eyes and just take a deep breath in through your nose and sigh it out. And another deep breath in through your nose and sigh it out. And place a hand or two over your heart center. And just continue to breathe, allowing that breath to flow nice and easy. And going within, releasing any tension, any thoughts or emotions that might be coming up for you. Just allow them to be released, to let go. And begin to draw your attention to your heart center. Listen deeply to what it is that you need at this point in time. And where have you not been paying attention to your own needs or to what your body is saying, what your heart is saying? Just listen deeply. And continue to breathe, making sure that your breath is flowing. Long, deep breaths. Inhale and exhale. Going deeper into the heart center. You are an amazing, wonderful, loving human being. Know your self-worth. Know your own love. Know that you are love. Allow those words to permeate your heart center. Allow your heart center to open up to that lovability, to your wonderful, courageous, and worthy self. Now you can stay here as long as you like, basking in this feeling. And whenever you are ready, you can slowly bring your awareness back into your body and into this space. But take this time for you. Thank you for being here. Namaste.